What is up, guys? Mike Valle here, bringing you a video today on what is affiliate marketing.
Hey, I work hard every motherfucking day, I work hard every day.
Many of you guys have a question. Many of you guys are confused exactly on what affiliate marketing really is. What is affiliate marketing? Besides the dictionary definition, which I'll put right here, that will kind of like confuse you. In my perspective, affiliate marketing is pretty much a company letting you promote their item. A company letting you promote their item for a commission. That's pretty much it. The more referrals you bring to their item, the more money you can potentially make. But through the internet, you can reach many people, so this could be on a larger scale. So there are different ways in how you can utilize affiliate marketing. In my perspective, the new way is the best way. Thanks to ODI Productions, I've been exposed to the new style of affiliate marketing, and I've kind of used that to my advantage. I have been studying the new way of affiliate marketing, and I've actually managed to make some money back in December without even spending any money in advertising. That's amazing, guys. When you're not dropping money on advertising, it's crazy. Of course, you can always scale up, and with advertising you can scale faster, but I wanted to see what I can do without advertising, implementing what I've learned from OD Productions. I actually took his course. I'll have that linked up in the description if you want to take a look at it. But in his course, he just teaches you how to take over affiliate marketing. It's amazing, guys. But pretty much what affiliate marketing is, the new way of affiliate marketing, is building a brand around it. Before, affiliate marketing was kind of utilized in a way where it was just you running ads to a specific product and trying to sell people, hitting them up on Facebook, posting the link on your Instagram. But nowadays that just doesn't work anymore. That's the old way, and that's why people are kind of like dodging affiliate marketing, because they just don't know how to scale this. They're kind of sticking to Amazon, FBA, Shopify, and also the cryptocurrency world now. But affiliate marketing to me is amazing, and it's people are overlooking at it. This is a gold mine. This, if you do it right, if you do it the way OD says to do it, guys, just this guy is making 6 figures a month. 6 figures a month. Come on. If you do it the way he does it, it's game over. Of course, this is no get rich quick scheme. You can't come into affiliate marketing thinking you're going to get rich from one day to another. I've been working extremely hard for the past year trying to master this and learn this. So there's no such thing as getting rich quick. Odie's been doing this since he was 19 and he's 25 now. So that tells you a lot. It's whatever is quick money is fake money. There's no such thing as quick money. And if there is, there's a catch. Usually a bad one. So this right here, the new way of affiliate marketing and building your business, guys, is through a specific niche. You need to pick out a specific thing that interests you. For example, let's just say you're into fitness. Say you're this health freak and you're like buff and you're ripped and you like enjoy working now. You enjoy drinking all these protein shakes. You're gonna go ahead and build this brand around that. Build a brand around yourself. If you're this big healthy guy, I mean, I'm not so healthy myself, so I wouldn't build a brand around health. But if you're this healthy person, you know, go ahead, record yourself working out. Drop those videos on YouTube. YouTube is powerful. YouTube is free traffic. Drop those videos on YouTube. Link up in the description some links about some affiliate programs. Say you've bought some shakes on Amazon. Put the links down below. What's that gonna do? Is gonna let you make some money off of people buying those products if you really promote it well enough. And of course, you don't promote a thing that you don't take yourself. That's something I do myself. I only advertise or I only promote what I believe in. what I've actually used, and it's proven to work. I don't want to give my people anything that's not right, not ethical, because then that's just building a bad brand. And I'm not trying to build a bad brand. I'm trying to build a great brand here, a brand to help everyone out, because my goal is to help as many people as I can. So by doing that the right way, you're gonna have exponential growth. You do it the wrong way, you might make some quick money here and there, but at the end you're gonna fail and you're just gonna go down, down, down. So don't do that, guys. Don't promote things that you don't believe in, things that don't work. Don't do that. It's not ethical. It's not right. But you're this health person. You record videos, do workouts. People start following you. They'll start like, okay, this is a figure in my life. A popular figure. Instagram is strong. Instagram is not utilized the way it should be utilized. Do daily posts, do tags, put your link up in the tags, put a link to your website, give training tips, give value. When you give all these value, people will start subscribing to you. They'll follow you. They'll love what you give them, and when you give them that, they'll buy from you, no problemo. You make this training course yourself, people will buy it. Why will they buy it? Because they follow you, because they believe in you. They've seen you go through it. They've seen you grow through this. As long as you're being ethical, come on. There's so much you can grow from. Odie, one of his businesses is music, home recording. He would buy headphones and review them. Headphones reviews on YouTube. Boom, made quick bucks. Was on some exponential growth. This guy is like blown out of the world, guys. Affiliate marketing, to me, it's not being utilized the way it should be. It's something that hasn't been tapped into yet, the new way, of course. So guys, if you jump on this now, you're gonna be way ahead of the pack. And if you want to follow me through my journey, go ahead and hit the subscribe, like this video, and let's do this journey together, guys. Go ahead, jump in with me, jump into affiliate marketing. If you end up taking Odie's course, I'll leave the link down below. If you end up taking this course, shoot me a message. Let me know, hey, I took Odie's course with your link. I think I'll get a notification myself, but if I don't, let me know, and then I'll offer 100% one-on-one coaching. Like, we can work through this together. I've had success in December where I actually made over 300 bucks in promoting a certain niche specific thing with no advertising spent, guys. Like, I have knowledge as well, you know. I took his course. I've taken multiple courses, not just his, and his is the best. So go ahead, follow me through this journey. I'm actually gonna upload his course review tomorrow, so stay aware for that one. But affiliate marketing, untapped, join me through this journey. And yeah, guys, you get his course, and you get one-on-one coaching with me. We can do phone call, we can do Google Hangouts. But hey, I just want to grow a network, guys. I just want to grow this affiliate marketing family. It's gonna be amazing. Can't wait to meet each and every one of you guys. Can't wait to network, interact with one another. Let's take over the world together, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was Mike Valle. Out.
Every motherfucking day, I work hard.